Please hang up and try again.
Not long after the June 10th incident, I made a public records request for body cam footage. City officials replied by saying your request for records has been received and forwarded for processing. About a month has passed since the incident. I decided to give them a call to check on the status of my public records request.
City Bisbee, can I help you?
Hi, Nina. I was just wondering, would you like me to put a thumb drive in an envelope and leave it at the city so you guys can put the videos on there?
No, I don't need, well, you can do that when they're ready, but they're not ready now, and nothing is going to be released until the investigation is over. Nothing is going to be released until the investigation is over.
Okay, I have to pause this for a second to say that she's talking about an incident that occurred 1 month ago and was fully on YouTube, and they're still investigating. It's like they're waiting on Sherlock Holmes.
Nothing is going to be released until the investigation is over.
Would it hurt just for me to provide the thumb drive? That way it can be ready whenever you guys are ready, because I need these. I don't need these for investigation. I need these like for medical reasons.
Right, but they need it for the investigation.
So their investigation is more important than my physical health.
No, I don't. I'm not going to say that.
I'm sorry.
I'm just telling you what I'm told.
Okay.
That nothing is going to be released until the investigation is over, but you can drop off a USB drive if you would like. Just when you come up to the city, just knock on the door.
Okay, I'll do that so that whenever they're ready, that way they can have something to put them on.
Yep.
Okay, all right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
So there you have it, folks. Bisbee Police, obviously in no hurry to release this information to the public, as they are still busy investigating themselves regarding a situation that was videotaped and posted on YouTube for all to see. Furthermore, an article was published by the Herald Review on July 12th, where University of Arizona journalism professor David Cuillier stated that the city could be in violation of the Arizona Public Records Request Law. The university professor went on to say that they, Bisbee Police, are not following the law, and it's a problem when police don't follow the law. He also went on to say that Bisbee's residents should be concerned about the police department and city officials' behavior. This has been a production of Bisbee News Network.